Welcome to Story Time. My name is Charleshsuan and I'm a storytelling sales coach. Today's story is called Did You Take Your Pill? In 1985, there was a 6-year-old little boy and every day he was extremely unhappy. When he went to school, he was told by the teachers, "Why can you not sit still? Stop interrupting. Go take your pill." The pill that they were referring to is called Ritalin, and that is for people that suffers from ADHD, attention deficit hyperactive disorder. Now, he struggled a lot in school. It got so bad he got kept back in grade 10 and grade 11. The career guidance counselor called him and his parents in and said, "You're not going to have a very, very bright future." But his parents never gave up on him, and neither did he. Eventually, he made it into university, and that's when everything changed. He met a wonderful group of friends that embraced him and encouraged him to be who he is. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm pretty sure by now you figured out that little boy is me. Now, sometimes our perceived weakness is actually our greatest strength, and that is the lesson I would like to share with you today. Now, in my case, ADHD, the strength is the ability to be creative, full of energy, and we can hyper focus when we are completing a task that we enjoy doing. Now, over the years, when I give presentations or when I'm sharing a story or when I'm giving a public speech, people will come up to me and say, "We love your energy." And you know what? For years, I perceived it and I thought that that was my weakness, that I had to tone it down. But today, it's actually my greatest strength. And I was able to use this to be more effective in my communication skills, be able to express myself. Now, I want to say to you and ask you, what is it that you are perceiving, or what is the thing that you perhaps have been perceiving or said to yourself, "It's actually my weakness," and in actual fact, it could be your greatest strength? Start discovering it. Start letting it out. Start working on it. Trust me, you'll be a lot happier. That is all for today. If you enjoyed the story, please click like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.